Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. And honestly guys, what I have just read is absolutely crazy. You can see on the homepage right here, former Coinbase product manager arrested on insider trading charges. And this I'm gonna cover in depth in another video coming out shortly. But it's over on the left here that has all my attention right now. What I have just read is absolutely crazy, and if you are an XRP holder, if you are involved in the Ripple v SEC lawsuit, if you are a crypto holder, this is extremely important for you too. So you can check it out right here over on the official SEC website. SEC charges former Coinbase manager and two others, which are his friend and his brother, in crypto asset insider trading action. The profit, to be honest with you, is less than I expected from these guys, but again, I'll go really in depth in all this. They made about $1.1 million, but the most interesting part comes right here. You can see all the different coins, XIO, RGT, and a couple of different others. Read this, all right? Take a look at this. Guys, I'm shocked to the bone, to the core. If you guys are enjoying these videos, specifically if I am making breaking news, this is very important. Take a look at this. On August 30th, participants in the private Coinbase Slack channel, Asset Listings, a group that included Ishan, discussed tomorrow's announcement that Coinbase planned to list XIO and RGT tokens. Now comes. As set forth below, XIO and RGT were both crypto asset securities. Interesting. Again, if you're thinking, no, they most likely just mean crypto asset, but they put security back. Hey, man, what are you talking about, right? So, first of all, but as used in the complaint, crypto asset security refers to an asset that is issued and or transferred using DLT, distributed ledger technology, including but not limited to so-called digital asset, virtual currencies, coins, and tokens, and that meets the definition of security under the federal security laws. The trading volume also multiplies, sometimes exponentially. It's talking about something else. That's talking about what happens when Coinbase lists something, it pumps. But again, guys, it's basically the same thing every single time over and over and over again. LCX here, they call out to be a crypto asset security. If I am getting this wrong, please let me know, all right? Please let me know down below. I am making this as soon as I am seeing it right now, and I am absolutely shocked. So there is some room for some errors. There is definitely some room for it. Again, I'm wondering a couple of different things. First of all, why did he go this route to, to make profit, but significantly little amounts of profit, to be honest with you, is kind of vague, to be honest with you. Why would you involve your brother in a scheme like this? Stupid. Apparently here, Ishan, alerted to an investigation into his misconduct, attempted to flee the US and urgently contacted Nikhil and Ramani. Doesn't really get better at that point. And again, Nikhil and Raman sold and purchased securities, all right? Throughout the relevant period, Nikhil and Ramani repeatedly traded ahead of Coinbase listing announcements, trading at least 25 tokens. At least 7 of the listing announcements described above involved crypto asset securities. Nikhil and Ramani traded in securities subject to the federal security laws because these crypto assets were investment contracts. They were offered and sold to investors who made an investment of money into a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others. Guys, it's not going to get easier than this. The SEC is going for the full freaking sweep, all right? Make sure you share this right now. This is crazy. I'm not so sure what else to tell you. This is absolutely crazy. Crazy, all right? Crazy, absolutely crazy. And again, as we've seen in the Ripple v SEC lawsuit, again, they're calling out every single reason as to why they're not, why these things are securities. Interesting though, take a look at this. As alleged in the greater detail below, each of the 9 crypto securities offered is sold by issuers to raise money that would be used for the issuer's business. In the offerings, the issuers directly sold crypto asset securities to investors in return for consideration, mostly commonly Bitcoin, Ether, and US dollars, or other fiat currency, or processed through the use of smart contracts. The crypto asset securities then were issued and distributed to the investors' blockchain addresses, which makes me wonder whether or not Ether is then fine in their eyes. Is that not a crypto security then? That's good. If you're wondering, XRP was never mentioned once in this lawsuit. I can actually type in Ripple just to quickly see. It was also never mentioned in all of this, just to make sure. And I've put it on my Twitter real quick if you want to know exactly which cryptos we're talking about. The cryptos that they were going after are AMP, RLY, DDX, XYO, RGT, LCX Power, DFX, and CROM. Most likely these things will dump pretty significantly. I am just for fun's sake, going to look at RLY, which is a coin that I hold. I have some AMP, I have some CO, some LCX, I think. Power I don't think. Maybe some. No, I don't have DFX for sure, I don't have CROM for sure. Let me just, give me a second, just quickly take a look and see how RLY is doing as I own that crypto. Let's quickly take a look at that, guys. Okay, I can't actually properly see this. Let's see. I'm gonna check it out. Let's take it from the horse's mouth or whatever. What's the thing again? Let's look at the freaking. I don't know the saying anymore. To be honest with you, I expected the price to dump significantly more. I think maybe the news is not out to the public as far. Just quite yet, because I expected the price to be down 99% again, because they got, the complaint here basically they got semi-sued by the SEC, but at least the SEC is going after more cryptos now. It's going to come pretty quickly. Ryan Selk has also joined the team, as I'll discuss in a video later today. If I can quickly grab it, I'll show it to you guys. Here, Ryan Selk has basically said, hey man, Brad Garlinghouse, I'm joining your team. SEC is overreaching for a couple of reasons I'll discuss in a video later today. Things are crazy right now, guys. This is absolutely crazy. If you enjoyed this video, though, make sure you press that like button and share it on Twitter if you can. All right? Don't let the SEC keep overreaching like this. Do you guys think these are real securities? I don't think it makes sense, but I don't know too much about these cryptos, so I can't honestly tell you with great certainty. I just think the SEC is trying for the sake of trying, though, and I'm not really standing for this. This is absolutely crazy. But I'll cover more about it when I know more. Just wanted to get this out as soon as possible. Mind-boggling, guys, mind-boggling.